In this video tutorial, I'm going to share to you on how you can fix all Wi-Fi issues on your Windows. So let's get started. So click on the start button and click on the settings icon. Now here in the list of options on the left pane, we have to simply locate system and then scroll down and we need to look for troubleshoot. Then you'll find other troubleshooters. So here you need to locate network and internet with the run button corresponding to it. So click the run button that corresponds to network and internet. What this will do is that this will help you spot and detect the issue or problem that you are facing on your Windows. And aside from that, this will also give you suggestions and recommendations on how you can fix the issue. So you just need to follow what it suggests and what it recommends in order to fix the issue. Then, for the next method, we also need to make sure that our network adapter is not disabled. So go ahead in the Windows search bar, type ncpa.cpl. Click on it under the best match. So here we can see that our Wi-Fi or our network adapter has been disabled. So we need to make a right click and then select enable. So make sure this is not disabled. And as you can see, after I have disabled it, this has fixed the issue for me. Okay. Now we also need to make sure that our network adapter is updated. So make a right click at the start button, open device manager. Now here simply locate network adapters. And locate network adapter, you have to make a right click, select update driver, browse my computer for drivers. Let me pick from a list of available drivers on my computer. And here simply choose the latest driver, or you can choose one by one as to what driver will work for you. Click on next. Now Windows has successfully updated your drivers. Close this and then close this window. Then just make a right click at the start button, shut down or sign out and restart. So that's it. So I hope this video helped you. Kindly please do not forget to hit the like button and subscribe to this YouTube channel for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching.